Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely gonna love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I have a very exciting, fun unboxing for you guys. As you know, I did post my Versace shopping vlog video, where I did try on a lot of cute outfits and a lot of different colors as well. However, I did finally get my outfit, and it's honestly my most perfect summer outfit, so I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. One thing I must point out is for the first time ever, I did finally get a Versace garment bag, and I actually really do love this. Now, you know, I have a lot of Versace clothes, but they have never came in a Versace dust bag before, so I'm really happy that I do have this. You know, you have this right here. This is honestly so soft, like the zipper of it. And then it does, of course, say Versace on the back right here. And it is so cool. Of course, you know, it does have a bunch of buttons, so you can, like, button it up and then carry it like a cute little handbag. So it's so cute, but what's inside is even better. Okay, so I am so excited to show you guys. I did get my outfit. And this is so cute. Now, not only is this brand new season, but it's also on the runway. So the fact that I have a new season runway outfit that was somehow on sale. I don't even know how this was on sale. I know it's spring, but you know, it's still spring and summer. So I'm not sure how this was on sale, but it was on sale. So originally this cost like $2,300 for this entire outfit. I only got it for, it was honestly so cheap. It was only $1,300, and keep that in mind that I was expecting to pay like $1,800. So the fact that I saved $800, I was like, oh, okay, that was a lot cheaper than I thought. Tax, it only came out to like $13.26, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. So, you know, that was very exciting. Of course, I did get the shorts to go with it. I will be doing a close-up so you guys can actually see like all of the cute details on it. I will also be putting a clip of me trying it on as well. But, okay, this is just absolutely amazing and so cool. I'm so excited for this one. Now, I'm proud to say this is my very first silk Versace shirt, and the fabric of it is so great. Now, they do make this in two different types. They make the normal one right here, but they do have like a new version of it where it's like a white cloth on the inside, and it's like a padding. So I think that's supposed to be like if you wear it to the beach and like you're like wet and you put it on, it's supposed to like dry you. So I think that one is made for like getting wet and the beach. However, this one is just made for more like relaxing, going to the beach, and I don't know, just being okay with it getting stuck to you if you're wet. But it is so cool. Now, this does have a pocket. Wait, okay, just kidding. It does not have a pocket right here. It has a fake pocket. But the back of it is also really cute. And look at it! With the Medusa right here. It is just so great. Now, this is a size 40. And the size 40, it really did fit me perfect. I thought about getting the size 45 because it was a little bit bigger. But this one, it honestly fits so perfect. And this really was the right choice. But you know me, I love to get two of everything. Like this shirt right here, I actually have four of these. I have it in a small, medium, large, and extra large. Small and medium are for me, and the large and extra large are for my mom. So the bigger sizes are to like sleep in and to wear at home and get stained, and then the ones that fit more properly are for me to like actually like go out in public in. So I might get a size 44 in this as well, just because honestly, why not? And on sale, the shirt usually costs $1,400. On sale, it's only $560. So when you put it in that perspective, is $500 worth it or $1,500? $500, it's literally like free when you compare the two. So I think I might get another one just because you know me, like honestly, why not? But this is so cool. And then of course for the shorts, I'm actually really impressed with these. Not only do these have a pocket on the back of them, which of course I always knew this, but yesterday I actually found out it has a pocket on the side too. So yes, these shorts, they do have pockets, and that is so cool. I didn't know they had pockets, so I was like, yes, absolutely amazing. And this one, I'm honestly so happy I have this. So this is my first option to pair it with. It's my cute little pink La Medusa Hobo bag. I do have a video on this, will be linked right above and in the description below. And honestly, this is such a cute bag. I've been using this a lot this summer, actually. But look how cute these look together. It was so perfect. Yeah, so cute. It's such a perfect summer outfit. But another bag that I absolutely love using with this is my Chanel Trendy. And honestly, walk in this all cute outfits, all matching, and it's just like such a showstopper. You walk into like Hermes, they're probably about to give you a Birkin to buy, walk into Chanel, they'll treat you great and give you an actual bag that's good quality. And that's the thing, when I did get this, I was stressed to the nines. So I got like the best quality Chanel Trendy that I could ever find. And all of the other bags, like they just haven't really been great quality. But this one, I'm honestly like so lucky because this is perfect and this puts all of the quality issues to shame. But this is how they should start making the actual bags because this one is so good. And I don't know what they did to like this one, but it is perfection. I love it. But with this bag, it's so cute and it's perfect. Close up on the gorgeous t-shirt, you can see this is so cool. I honestly love it so much. Now, the patterns of this is just so cool and so great. Now, any wrinkled spots, all you have to do is go ahead, take a steamer, and the steamer will take it right out. And it is so perfect. I love it. Look at the detailing on it. It's absolutely amazing. The flowers on it as well. Now, I love the plaid and I love the checkered print. And it's just so cool. Now, I thought that was a real pocket, but that is a fake pocket. So that did surprise me. But the details on this is so amazing. Back of the shirt is probably my favorite because look at the giant Medusa. And she's silver, but not just like silver, she's gray. And gray is my favorite color. So that is just so cool. I love it so much. It does say Versace at the very bottom of it. And this is so cool. It's like artwork. This is probably like one of the most fun shirts that I do own. I do have a very colorful sweater. I absolutely love that one. The video will be linked right above. But besides that one, this is definitely my most colorful and my most fun one. But I also love, love, love the fact that there is a Medusa up there as well. First off, you can see the beautiful detail of the shorts. Now, personally, I love the fact that it says Versace up here. I think that is just so cute. The silk is so soft on your skin. I'm so excited to have my first silk shirt. This print is so cool. Look, it's even like stairs going up into like Versace heaven. Cool. And then you have some like snakes here. That's awesome. I don't know if that's supposed to be snakes and if that's supposed to be stairs, but I think it's cool. The back of them are really fun as well. However, this is where you can see how it is shaped like a skirt because the way that like the fabric lays and is like folded, it goes over here. So when you turn it backwards, you can totally see like the more skirt feel. But if you like keep these out and open it up like that, then you kind of do get more of like a shorts vibe. But this does have a functional pocket on the back of it too, so that's really, really cool. I like it. Again, the detailing of this is just so adorable. And I also did forget to add that I did also get a pair of socks as well to go with that outfit. And these are so cool. So of course, you know, I had to get matching ones. Now, I will say when it comes to the shorts are very short. So in order for like boxers now to poke through, I'm on the hunt for pink Versace boxers. But in the meantime, my thong will work perfectly fine. But you know, so for this outfit, it is so good. I love it so much. Again, I might get the size 44 just because why not? And I also do want to get the blue shirt too. They do also make this in a long sleeve and it has like a silver Medusa button up here. I kind of want all of them, I'm not gonna lie, and I might get a couple more. I'm really excited to see which ones I do end up obtaining actually. But again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below how you feel about this outfit and just how perfect it is. Now, I also have to say that this is my White Lotus outfit. So the White Lotus show on HBO is inspired by the Four Seasons in Hawaii, and I'm so ready to go to a tropical hotel in this outfit with my Versace sunglasses, Prada shoes, Prada slippers, everything like that. And it would just be such a cool White Lotus moment. So I'm so excited for traveling in this outfit, and this is just so great altogether. But again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below how you feel about this outfit, and have a great day. Au revoir. The only thing about the outfit is that you have such long nails, you can't ruin the outfit. You can't ruin it, but you love it.